Very good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the medical benefits of sun rays. For a healthy lifestyle or healthy living, sun rays also is very important factor. I am going to discuss three important rays. One is ultraviolet B rays, another one is infrared rays, particularly the near infrared rays, and even the visible light itself have some benefits. Sun is a star. Actually, even the periphery of the sun is 5000 Celsius hot. It sends lot of rays, and these rays are electromagnetic rays, and it travels at a speed of 3 lakhs kilometers per second and reaches the earth after 8 minutes. That means such a distance it travels. There are three type of rays. Sun rays are found to be useful to man. First one is ultraviolet rays. Actually, ultraviolet rays again divided into A, B, C. The C never reaches Earth because it is get filtered by ozone layer. Actually, it is harmful rays. It is filtered. Ultraviolet A also it produce some detrimental effects, and I am not going to talk about that. Now I am going to talk only about ultraviolet rays B type, UVB. Actually, these UVB rays penetrate our skin and it induces the synthesis of vitamin D by converting 7-dehydrocholesterol into vitamin D, provitamin D. Later, it has been converted into vitamin D. We all know the importance of vitamin D in the calcium and phosphorus metabolism, particularly for bone formation. That is the reason why children, wherever chance available, children should expose at least 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes twice a week. That is more than sufficient to get enough. And though it is abundant in noon, I think it is better to go in the evening or in the morning to avoid other detrimental effects. Second rays, I think most people may not know. I think medical people only know about it. That is called near infrared rays. It is in the range of 700 nanometer. Actually, of all the sun rays, infrared rays amount roughly 54%. What I really talked about ultra is only 7%. And this one, infrared is around 54% that reaches the earth. Actually, these near infrared red rays also penetrate our skin, and it produce very important advantage to the body. Actually, these near infrared rays detoxify, or they act as antioxidant. How they, I am going to tell, and thereby neutralize the reactive oxygen species that produced in the normal metabolism of cells. Actually, small thing I want to make it better understanding. Human body has 30 trillion cells. Each cell is something like a very doing a lot of work. It has nucleus, cytoplasm, and mitochondria. And the mitochondria is considered to be a powerhouse of cells. Actually, whatever the amino acids, glucose, fats that enter into the mitochondria goes into the Krebs cycle. I always say the Krebs cycle into the mitochondria is something like a grinding machine, and it produces a lot of from that only ATP produce for our energy. But during this process, reactive oxygen species, particularly the hydrogen peroxide, superoxide, hydroxyl ions are produced in every cell, and that is detrimental to the cell. It causes cell damage. Actually, what infrared rays does means the infrared rays penetrate into the mitochondria, and through the cytochrome it induces the melatonin synthesis. Melatonin is very important. I am telling about the mitochondrial melatonin, not the pineal melatonin that we get in just before the sleep. That is not that. That is only 5%. Actually, 95% of the melatonin are produced inside the mitochondria, and they act as a powerful antioxidant, and that is the reason why scientists say that we have to get expose ourselves, particularly in the evening or in the morning hours, to get this benefit of near infrared rays. The third important benefit of the sunrise is even our visible light itself has some benefit. Actually, we all know the light goes through the eyeball, reaches the retina. Retina itself made up of neuronal cells. Actually, the light goes into the CNS and stimulate all the neuronal cells and induce the synthesis of a neurotransmitter called serotonin. That is very important. Actually, nowadays people are working with a lot of stress. This serotonin plays a very important, I say, two things, dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters are very good for our well-being, particularly make our mood positive, reduce the stress, to induce a good sleep. In that way, that serotonin's production that occurs during sunrise also is very, very important. I hope now you all get convinced. We have to get expose ourselves to get the benefits of sun rays. What I do, usually people ask, see, I will go and garden for at least 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. During gardening, I not only harvest some vegetables, I also harvest the benefits of sun rays. Hope we will meet in some other meeting. Goodbye.